Okay. This is, where's the box? Yeah. I'm gonna do this with instructions. I'm not so bad at it. This
big small, but it's in like pretty.
it's small, but it's hard. Are these the big ones or the small ones? These? Yeah, I think. Look at the big wheels, Mom.
Kuya, get more water for me, please.
That's a skill that I have. Building something that's in a bag. The antenna looking thingy. So I'm setting. That's 3. Oh shoot.
Water. Number 4.
I need one. So like this. Oh. Is it? Yeah, like this. Then like seven, 8, and then I think those are these. Yep. wait. Do this 2 times.
Okay. Because it's both sides.
Something like this. And then
Can I have them?
Yeah, get it.
4, 8, 4, 4. Take the L's. Just put it like this. Why can I not? I'll put it like this. Same here. Why can I not get this? Already see something. I see gears. And I don't like that. Okay. Take these two and you actually have now where's the other one?
You hold on. Oh, wow, you really put the Vex word.
Now where do I put the what is the other one of this? No, I need 2.
Two. This one, 1, 2.
1, 2. But I need 4. Let me see if I dropped any.
just find it later, maybe. Check the other parts first.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this on one. So put that one. Take this. Take this. Take the wheel. Like these. And take one of these. Then I touch this. This. Put it on the top. 1, 2, 3. There.
There.
No. Ooh. Let's see what I did wrong here. This was to be like that. There. Um, Then that, so like we're right here. No. Or should be. This.
This one.
I'm right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where do I put this though? Oh no, that's. Yeah, now I'm right here. Get this
Claw.
gears, which I don't like. Kind of fun.
It's under.
Oh. So now I'll use these two.
Put the two.
So this. Yeah.
There.
It's a grabber.
Ah, okay. Cute. Sige na, go.
Okay, so now.
The one in front, put this
Now
one.
we add. Like, yeah, these two are the same, so we add that to there. This is pretty
And
big.
then at the top, the other one is at the top. You see the other one?
Yeah. Right here. I think it goes like that. There.
There.
Touch that. Oh. Yeah. So Don't move. Now, I add one of those. These. Mommy, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
I put the human in there. So I take this, and this. That it doesn't work. I mean, roll. What the? Oh, I see. So.
Something you will put it under?
No.
Here. Here.
No.
See?
I see it now.
That's where you put in there.
There. There.
See? Right there.
Now I put. What the? So this is not supposed to be together. It's supposed to be like this. That hurts. But it's not together though. Oh, I see the problem. It's on the wrong side. It's a. It's supposed to be these two like this.
You will do the other one tomorrow, okay? And how to put that together, the other one.
You okay, Mom?
Yeah, because I need to rest, okay?
Okay. So. How? Look. Is this supposed to be tilted like this?
That's the same way as you did. That's right.
Yeah, but look.
It
Watch.
did not fit in there. Try to fit in there.
Yeah, but then look. Only one part.
Maybe just one.
No, it's supposed to be both. Let me try turning it.
Yeah, you're right. It's supposedly both of them.
I'm gonna try to turn it like this. But it won't work. It's just tilting that way. While the wheel's right there. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing what it says.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait. I think I see what's... I think it's flipped.
Yeah, it should be here. Both of that are here.
Yeah. So, this... Yeah.
And this. They're the same now?
Yeah, see?
Oh, there. Okay.
So now, be careful. Uh-oh.
Here. Just loose it.
Mm-hmm. There. But this is not the last step yet. There.
To put the human.
Astronaut. There.
There.
Ooh. I think I put it on. Yeah. And then the one that I did in the bag. Everything's perfect. It looks fun.
Okay, put it there fast. Is there any chair in there?
No, but he just reaches.
Ah, yeah. Sit down right there.
No, that's for the stuff.
Mm.
This.
Need to sit down maybe. Diba, the astronaut is like laying down. There you are. Oh, smile here. Smile. Hold it. Okay.
Now,
So this
now
piece,
I'm gonna, bro.
you need to put that 22 pa there.
Oh God, no.
The 2 from the side.
No. Good. No.
Nya na. Pulutan saan to? Kaya para last na. Extra antenna. Okay. Put the number 2 sa. Both sides.
No. It's with the paper. Oh, there.
Tarong nga dyan butang.
1, 2.
Good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now I'm
Need
gonna,
it.
now I'm gonna make a minigun.
Okay. Bye-bye na.